Welcome to Beaverton Kia. Please feel free to browse our inventory and check this week's specials. We're conveniently located at 4550 Southwest Hawken Avenue, Beaverton, Oregon, 97005. We're proud to offer a great selection of new and used cars, sport utility vehicles, sedans, coupes, roadsters, hatchbacks, minivans, and trucks. We specialize in Kia sales, finance, service, and
Check out this blue 05 BMW 3 Series 325i, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, with 53,083 miles. Enjoy an impressive 29 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like side airbag system, cruise control, CD player and dash, a AM/FM radio, dual airbags, vehicle stability assist, traction control system, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 05 BMW 3 Series 325i. See us at Beaverton Kia with used today.
Thanks for shopping at Beaverton Kia online. For quick and easy loan approval, contact Internet Sales at 866-591-9312. Beaverton Kia. Experience it.